Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. So guys, today I would like to present you the trending report of the programming languages as per the Google. Many of you would already know about the Google Trends, but let me introduce you about the Google Trends first. So Google Trends is nothing but an analysis tool. It is a website by Google which analyzes the popularity of top search queries based on the specific regions. This gives a graphical representation of trends based on the years and language along with the regions. So, as per me, working on specific technology and working is always based on the demand of the work they are doing and also on the trend sometimes. So before I give my opinion on the technology that is best used in the market, I would like to show you the live report. So let's start with JavaScript, as it has been into the technical business world since ages. Here is the report showing the curve of JavaScript since last 5 years. Then comes the graph of Java in the same context. Finally, the graph is about the most trending one, that is Python. Now the magic is shown when we compare all three of these languages. Here is the comparison graph. As you can see, since last 5 years, Python is most trending technology at present as well. Java is also near to Python in graph, but it is still competing to be at the first position. But sometimes we use the technology based on the requirement and the skill that we possess. Every technology is unique and best when it is not brought into comparison. Try to learn new technologies and master your work accordingly. This is about this video. Until the next video, stay safe and healthy. Do share your views on this video and also share your thoughts in comment section. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.